Hey everyone, in this video I am going to talking about how to use session and session tracking with session configuration. Session tracking. A session refers all to requests to a single client make to a server. The session is specific to user. For each user, new session is created to track all requests from that user. Every user has a unique session identified by a unique session identifier. Session tracking enables to a load balancer ADC to limit the number of sessions originating of the particular client IP address in a given interval of time. Limiting the session generation rate by client IP address helps prevent session-based denial of service (DOC) attacks. To configure session tracking, go to the Advanced Security page, scroll to Session Tracking and click Edit in the option columns. You can specify the following session protection option. This option. When you have finished configuration these options, click Save. Configuration of session identifiers. Configuring session identifiers, all the load balance ADC recognize the session information in the request and response. To create a new session identifier, perform the following step. Go to the Security Libraries page and scroll to the Session Identifier section. Locate the display the identifier and click Edit to add a new identifier, click and Session Identifier. Enter the modify the session identifier name. This name will appear in that list of session identifier from which you will choose when you configure session tracking. Enter modify the following session token parameters: token name, token type, start delimiter and end delimiter. Now we add the edit the session identifiers appear in the session identifiers list on the edit session tracking page on the security and the security page in the session tracking section. The following examples show how to enable the load balance ADC to extract the session ID 12345 from session identifier. The token name JES, the token type parameters, start delimiter and end delimiter, like this. Thank you.